Welcome back, Focus Learners. Let's jump right in. Today's explainer is a deep dive into an incredibly intuitive platform that is absolutely transforming how we manage education. If you're a teacher, a tutor, or maybe you run an entire educational center, you already know the deal. The sheer logistics of teaching can totally get in the way of, well, actually teaching. So today, we're looking at a super modern, inspiring solution called Foxy Admin. We're going to see exactly how this platform makes teaching easier, way more interactive, and incredibly professional. Think of this as your roadmap to finally ditching those spreadsheets and putting your focus back where it belongs, on your students. Ready to streamline that workflow? Let's go. Let's start with a quick reality check. Is managing your online classes feeling completely overwhelming? Honestly, it's a massive pain point for educators everywhere. Juggling your classes, tracking down students, and trying to grade assignments across multiple clunky, disconnected systems, it causes so much administrative dread. It drains your time, zaps your energy, and, frankly, it leads straight to burnout. You end up managing software instead of actually mentoring your students. We've all been there, right? Feeling that friction when all you really want is a user-friendly platform that simplifies your daily tasks and, actually gives you your weekend back. Okay, let's dive into this. Meet Foxy Admin. Behind this friendly little fox mascot is a totally centralized, highly intuitive solution to all that admin chaos. This platform was built from the ground up to be your ultimate digital teaching assistant. It brings class management, communication, and progress tracking, the whole shebang, into one single easy-to-use system. It's really about taking that overwhelming, scattered feeling and replacing it with total control and organization. It gives both you and your students super quick access to everything you need right in one unified digital campus. And check this out. Instead of staring at a messy spreadsheet or some complicated database, Foxy Admin gives you this incredibly clean, simple, and just beautiful interface. Look at these color-coded cards. The absolute second you log in, you can see your active classes, your total student count, any new enrollments and alerts, all at a glance. It's a dashboard that actually makes sense. Right from the sidebar, you can jump to your profile, check student stats, and get visual summaries instantly. It's all designed to give you instant clarity. No more wasting time hunting for basic info. Now, the real magic of Foxy Admin is how it completely automates and simplifies your actual day-to-day workflow. It's going to save you so much valuable time by breaking down what used to be complex processes into 3 really fast, manageable steps. Step 1, create a lesson, intuitively and quickly. Step 2, assign homework. Step 3, review student progress. Boom, that's literally it. It totally removes the friction from lesson planning. Plus, you can seamlessly switch up your lesson types, whether that's video lessons, quizzes, interactive tasks, or live online sessions. Everything revolves around these 3 simple steps to keep you moving and automate all that repetitive stuff. Digging a bit deeper into that workflow, managing files and homework becomes completely effortless. As an educator, you can instantly upload your videos, PDFs, assignments, and quizzes right into the platform. There's this really clear notification system for new homework attachments too, so nothing ever gets lost in the shuffle again. And because Foxy is a modern, totally mobile-friendly platform, you get flawless multi-device access. So whether your students are on a laptop at home or quickly reviewing a PDF on their phone while waiting for the bus, they always have clear, secure, and easy navigation to their learning materials. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is just how personalized your classroom organization can get. Look at this. You could literally name your whole organization Hogwarts and drop a student right into the Slytherin class. It's such a fantastic, fun environment that proves just how easily you can organize your students into virtual classes and groups. You just create the class, add your students via email or an invite code, and boom, they're instantly in their specific educational space. It makes the digital world feel just as structured, but honestly, just as personal and fun as a physical classroom. But hey, it's not just about making things easy for the teachers. It's about creating a genuinely engaging experience for the students, right? Foxy does this through dynamic, gamified progression. So instead of just checking off some boring list, students actually track their progress visually. They evolve from a little egg to a chick and finally into a fully grown rooster. I mean, who knew hatching a digital chicken was the secret motivation we all needed to finish our homework? It's brilliant. This kind of interactive, personalized learning path builds tremendous motivation. It turns finishing a lesson into a rewarding journey, making students actually want to actively participate. And while your students are having a blast hatching their digital chickens, the platform is quietly doing all the heavy lifting for you in the background. Foxy's powerful analytics and visual summaries basically act as your digital teaching assistant. You can monitor pending assignments, spot overdue tasks, and check submission rates in real time, so you aren't left guessing who's falling behind. The analytics show you instantly. This means you can step in and help a student exactly when they need it most. It's data-driven teaching made completely accessible, even if you are absolutely not a numbers person. Now, communication is arguably the single most vital part of education, and Foxy handles this brilliantly. They have a built-in messenger system, and honestly, the best part, it works exactly like Telegram or those other everyday messaging apps you're already using, so there's zero learning curve, no technical hurdles at all. It features separate, optimized views for teachers and students and requires absolutely no external apps. It keeps all your class discussions, questions, and announcements totally centralized and easy to find. You build a real community, all without cluttering up your personal email inbox. So, how do all these features balance out? Well, for teachers, the platform means saving huge amounts of time on admin tasks, massively improving your organization, and getting those deep performance insights. But on the flip side, for students, it delivers crystal clear communication, super easy access to materials, and that real-time gamified progress tracking. By completely eliminating the administrative heavy lifting for you, the educator, Foxy directly enables a much more dynamic, interactive, and fulfilling experience for the learner. It's a total win-win that just elevates the whole educational process. All of this, the built-in automation, the simple communication, the easy lesson creation, it all leads to the ultimate reward. You can launch your own professional online school or course in absolute record time. There is virtually zero friction between your awesome educational content and your students. You can connect the platform with tools you already use, add your personal branding, and immediately start offering a premium, mobile-friendly, totally modern educational experience. What used to take months of stressful IT setup, yeah, you can knock that out in a single afternoon now. We're going to leave you with this core takeaway. Foxy Admin truly represents teaching made easier, more interactive, and more professional. I want you to just think about your current workflow for a second. How much more could your educational center thrive? And how much more could your students actually achieve if you finally replaced all that complex, overwhelming management with a solution that's designed simply to help you teach? It's a provocative question for sure, but hopefully this explainer has shown you that a streamlined, beautifully organized digital classroom isn't just a pipe dream. It's entirely possible today. Thanks so much for learning with us, and stay focused.